Right, now this is the scene I've sent you. You should have had in the 10:30 email. Okay, it's a Lammas church taken this morning. Did some pictures yesterday, but they weren't as good, so I went and redrew it. Now what we want to do with this is make it fit the scene that we're going to try. Now I just want to explain that I'm going to do this quickly, and I'm going to use primarily pens rather than do a full-scale painting. But you can obviously take your time in between each section and do things slower, and you can use watercolor, or I mean, if you're being exceptionally brave, oil. I mean, you could do it with oil and do it over longer. So although I'm going to post the videos, you could spend longer in between them, or you could use watercolor or pastel, whatever you like. But I'm just going to do it quickly just to get the principle going and explain it. So first of all, that's the image. Right, remember we said we were going to sort of go for a low horizon. So I would usually measure this, but I'm going to sort of do it sort of by eye, and that's my horizon. So I've got my sheet of paper, whatever you're using, and then I've put in the horizon. Now the church, I'm going to go for a position about here. So that's what we talked about over here, this kind of third thing. So I'm going to put the church about here, okay? Now at this point, all I'm going to do is I'm going to pencil in the church as a rough square, okay? And then put in this sort of tree line. And then I'm just doing an outline, but I said there's some more houses here, and a few more plane trees, and then so on. Some vestry, whatever it is, some bigger trees over here, etc. Okay, now with Seago and with the scenes we talked about, it's all about the sky and the light, but we're going to get onto that. We're just laying out the basics, and we have got a river view. I don't know if you can see that. I've got some focus, and the river, there's a river over here and a path leading us around, so we're going to use a path to lead people into the view. So I'll put that there, and the path kind of goes to the church, something like that, loosely, and it sort of swings around, and then there's a sort of river kind of thing at this sort of angle with the bank. So we're actually not going to see that much of the river. Okay, you can probably put that big tree in there if you like. So something like that. Okay, so that is part one. Now if you sort of catch up, then I'll keep posting the various breakdowns. Okay, so but again, I just explained I'm doing it simply, but you can spend more time over each one. Okay, so this is number 2, 3, and number 4 is to follow. Thank you.